Hi everyone, Emily Allison here and welcome to Emily Everything. In this video, I'm going to teach you a meditation for stress or sudden shock. This is a Kundalini Yoga meditation. I'm a certified Kundalini Yoga instructor and I'm going to teach you this meditation. But first I'd like to invite you to like and subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell so that you get notified when I post new videos. So before we go into our meditation, we start every Kundalini Yoga exercise or set with a chant that goes Om Namo Guru Dev Namo. We do that 3 times and that tunes us into the set, and then I will explain how to do this meditation. Once we're finished, then we will chant a long Sat Nam to close the circle and finish up. So here we go, let's get started. Rub your hands together. Place them at the heart. Drop your shoulders, straighten your spine. Inhale and begin. Om Namo Guru Dev Namo. Om Namo Guru Dev Namo. Om Namo Guru Dev Namo. Okay, meditation for stress or sudden shock. I'm just going to move myself a little bit further back so you can see me a little better here. So sitting in easy pose, this is easy pose with your legs crisscrossed with a light Jalandhar Bandh, and that is a body lock in the lower triangle where you squeeze the muscles of the anus, the sex organs, and the navel. So I'll just let you practice that all at once together. Let's do it together. Squeeze, 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 squeeze. And release. So that's going to be going on in the background, and as we do this meditation, the first thing we do is a mudra, which is the hand positions. And so relax the arms down to the elbows, and your elbows are going to be bent, and draw the forearms towards each other until the hands meet in front of the body, about 1 inch away from the navel. So right about here. And placing the palms up, and rest the right hand inside the left hand. And the thumb tips go together, and you pull the thumbs toward the body. So that's going to be the position that your hands stay in for the duration of this meditation. So there's a little bit of a pressing to the thumbs, and then remember to keep your shoulders, drop your shoulders down. You don't want them to hunch up like that. So drop your shoulders. Now the eye position is going to be looking at the tip of the nose. So your eyes will be sort of slightly almost closed, and you'll be staring at the tip of your nose. Now the breath is going to be a deep inhale, and then we do the mantra 3 times through, which is the chant, as you're sort of exhaling through the chant. And we'll do this for 3 minutes together. Now normally it says this is an 11-minute meditation and you work your way up to 31 minutes, but for the purpose of this video and because we're beginning, we're going to do 3 minutes together, okay? Now the mantra, I'll demonstrate to you. The mantra is Sat Nam, Sat Nam, Sat Nam, Sat Nam, Sat Nam, Sat Nam, Whaa-Hay Guru. Now that's going to happen 3 times in one breath. So I'll show you what it looks like. Again, with the right hand in the palm of the left, thumbs pressed together, sitting up nice and straight. Inhale. Sat Nam, Sat Nam, Sat Nam, Sat Nam, Sat Nam, Sat Nam, Whaa-Hay Guru. Sat Nam, Sat Nam, Sat Nam, Sat Nam, Sat Nam, Sat Nam, Whaa-Hay Guru. Sat Nam, Sat Nam, Sat Nam, Sat Nam, Sat Nam, Sat Nam, Whaa-Hay Guru. And then we do another 3. Okay, so I'll be keeping time for 3 minutes. Let's get into position in easy pose. Right hand goes into the left palm. Thumbs pressed together. Drop your shoulders. Now bring your palms in just about 1 inch away from your navel and try and pull your thumbs back a little bit so they're pointing towards your body. And remember, you're going to be looking at the tip of your nose. Now, I understand that it's going to take some time for us to figure this out with our breathing, so don't be concerned if you can't make it all the way through the chant in one breath. Just listen to your body and you will catch on and it will work out. Okay. Inhale and begin. Satnam, 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 Whaa-Hay Guru. Satnam, 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 Whaa-Hay Guru. Satnam, 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 Whaa-Hay Guru. Inhale. Satnam, 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 Whaa-Hay Guru. Satnam, 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 Whaa-Hay Guru. Satnam, 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 Whaa-Hay Guru. Inhale. Satnam, 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 Whaa-Hay Guru. 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 Satnam, 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 Whaa-Hay Guru. 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 Inhale. Exhale. Drop your hands to your knees. Inhale again. Fully expand your lungs and exhale through your nose. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, suspend the breath. Raise the arms above the head and stretch and stretch and stretch and stretch with every ounce that you have. Exhale. Relax your arms down. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Suspend the breath. Raise your hands high. Stretch, stretch, stretch with every ounce you can muster. Suspend the breath, hold the breath, hold, hold, hold. Exhale. Release your arms down and breathe naturally. Keep breathing. Relax your shoulders, relax your body. Sit with your experience, let your heart rate adjust. And I'll read the comments as you're returning to neutral state. This meditation balances the left hemisphere of the brain with the base of the right hemisphere. This enables the brain to maintain its equilibrium under the stress and weight of sudden shock. It also keeps the nerves from being shattered under those circumstances. So this is a very powerful meditation. And I felt it would be a really, really good one for the times that we're living in right now. And it seems like a very simple one, but it is really quite challenging holding that position. And then of course in the background you've got that Jalandhar where you're squeezing the organs of the anus, the sex organs, and the navel all at once. So that's another thing to keep in mind when you're doing this meditation. So now you know how to do the Kundalini Yoga meditation for stress or sudden shock. And now we will close with a long Sat Nam. So rub your hands together. Place them at the heart center in prayer pose. Sit up nice and tall. Drop your shoulders. Inhale and begin. Sat Nam. Sat Nam. So Sat Nam is the seed mantra, and it is the one that's most widely used in the practice of Kundalini Yoga. And Sat means the truth, and it also means the reality of one's existence. Now Nam means to call upon, to name or identify with. So Sat Nam means truth is my identity, and I call upon the eternal truth that resides in all of us. So chanting this mantra awakens the soul, and more simply means really. It is pronounced to rhyme with but mom. And I'll leave a description in the box below, in the description box below, so that you can read a little bit more about it. And I'll put the comments in there as well. And I'll also put the chant for our opening sequence, the Ong Namo Guru Dev Namo chant, and a little translation so you can read that as well. And if you would like to support my channel, I have these wonderful Sat Nam tank tops that I have on my store, and I'll put the link in the description box again for you below. And thank you so much for joining me today. Again, my name is Emily Allison, and this is Emily Everything. And you have now learned a Kundalini Yoga exercise called Meditation for Stress or Sudden Shock. And we will see you in the next video. Please feel free to like and subscribe. Don't forget. Thanks, and have a great afternoon, evening, or good night. Ciao for now.